How to stop NordVPN from auto-connecting. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into the settings of a device. Head over to General. Scroll down and move into VPN and Device Management. Move into VPN. So in this page, if you're connected to NordVPN, then it will be available to you in this page. All you gotta do is move into it. And then simply, you have to turn off this option called Connect on Demand. Once done, you can also delete the VPN and then click on Delete once again. After this, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the app itself. So head over to NordVPN. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now, if you're connected to any of the server in this VPN, then all you gotta do is disconnect it. Now, you can only try connecting when needed. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.